Welcome to my channel Dr. Kas Radiology. Here I am unboxing the notes of econceptual radiology, a very first edition of it. Econceptual is a platform, I would say, for resident doctors pursuing their PG course. If you want more details, you can check out their website. Let's start the unboxing. The packaging is decent and comes with two sets of packaging in it. One having the notes based on in-app videos. They have 3 volumes. And the second one having DNB exams questions and their answers in 2 volumes. And 2 small books in which one is for radiological anatomy practice and other is for spotter cases. Let me remove the last plastic cover. I will fast forward the process to keep the video short as possible. Starting with the in-app based notes with the volume 1. The paper quality is actually good. How to approach this book is given. Table of content is given. Currently the notes are covering only the topics that are done up till last 1 to 2 months. Notes of the new videos is not included, which is obvious. So here are the actual notes and it looks pretty well organized. Images are okay, quite appreciable. Lots of images are given, which is good. Tables in the notes given. Let's go through the few of the pages. Here is the volume 2. What I have noticed is that the table content is same for all the 3 volumes. Volume 2 starts from the section 5, which is MSK. The given pictures are very well appreciable. Lots of images and tables are given. A very nice and motivational phrase in Punjabi given. It seems Apurva Mehra sir is motivating in the notes too. Nicely done, sir. Here is a volume 3, the last volume of in-app based notes. It starts from section 9, which is a Euro Radiology. Let's quickly go through some of the pages. Now from the second set, this is the Radiological Anatomy Practice Cases book. How to approach this book and table of contents here. See the size of the book. As we can see, images of X-ray, CT, MR images are given with annotation or landmarks, and the name of the structure is provided. Book for spotters. See the size of the book. Table of content given. And spotters are here. They have included some details of findings along with the diagnosis. Much appreciated. And finally, DNB Master Solution, 2 volume sets. Volume 1 having DNB paper solution from 2021 to 2023. As we can see, year-wise solution of question paper is included. Question is given and the answer in detail is provided. Here also tables included where needed and images are included too. Quickly go through the pages. And lastly, volume 2 having DNB paper solution from 2018 to 2020. So for me, initial impression is pretty good. It has a good paper quality. With the notes, lots of images, tables and well organization of the notes, it is pretty impressive. The images are quite decent and appreciable. For the very first edition, this is very good in my opinion, and I can see lots of efforts behind the notes making, including the anatomy practice case, spotter book and DNB solution. It will be very much helpful in the exam theory part and in practice too. So that is my first impression. If you have any question or what you think about the notes, let me know in the comment section below. That's all from my side. If you like the video, please click on the like button and subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos. And happy Diwali!